guys and guys, today we are reviewing the new PTFS remodels update. Anyways, let's move on to the first one. The first one is a follow me truck with 4 liveries. White, the normal one, airfield operations, and police. They look really cool. And now, moving on to the plane remodels. We have the A330, which looks so good with a full on detailed landing gear. Here are all the liveries we have for the A330. We have OTAR, Scandalian, Singapore Airlines Bliss. We got Thai. We got Louis. We got Turkey Airlines. And then we have Donker Belta, Emirates, Iberia, Jet3, KLM, Korean Air, Lufthansa, Qantas, Cebu Pacific, which has a really cool mask. Looks really cool. Cathay Pacific, Azul, Americano, Air French, Air Canadian, Aeroflat, and lastly, Air Dingus. And now moving on to cargo airlines. We have VHL only and a normal freighter. And now moving on to tankers, we have Royal Australian Air Force A330 and a A330 again. This for the Royal Air Force and this for the Royal Australian Air Force tankers. And now the next aircraft, the A340. But there's a small problem. You see, they haven't finished the A340 yet. So they only added the mounts and the APU. They didn't even finish the interior and cockpit. So now let's move on to the next one. Airbus Beluga XL is done and dusted. With a whole cockpit. And they look very good. Look at that. And let's see inside. We have ladders to get inside. And we have a super cool cargo. Why is there a seat? Got it. We have super cool cargo inside. And a super good landing gear. And super cool engines. And the mask looks so slick in the eye. And now, that's it for the whole update. I'll review you later. Anyways, bye. Thanks for watching. And also, please subscribe. It really helps me a lot. And it's free.